What's going on, guys? It's Michaela with your Thursday, December 5th Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. We're looking forward to another beautiful day here on the slopes. Our hours of operation today will be from 9 a.m. until 8 p.m. We're looking towards a mostly sunny day with temps ranging from a high of 36 and a low of 19 degrees, with some mild west winds up to 14 miles per hour. We currently have 18 trails and 4 lifts up and running. Some of our trails, such as Roper's Road, only have fresh natural powder, so be cautious of coverage, but take advantage of the breathtaking views. We still have 4 terrain park features set up on the side of Challenger that are ready to be carved up. In the meantime, we're blasting snow on Hitchcock and designing this season's full park layout. Our Cyber Week deals are still going on, so make sure you check it out and stock up on some holiday gifts. This Saturday, we have Mountainside Demo Fest, where you can test out all the skis and boards that are on your wish list. And then later that night, we're having a Snow Bash presented by REI. Grab your friends and dance the night away with some live entertainment, food, and the first 200 people through the door will get a really cool free hat just like the one that I'm wearing now, and a free drink ticket. And that's all for today, guys. Stay tuned to these tape reports or visit us at Wachusett.com for all the latest. And I will ski you on the slopes.
Awesome conditions.
They did a wonderful job with grooming. Thank you.
Come on up. It's
Come on
great
up.
up here.